Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. In this video we'll cover stretches for your neck, shoulders and upper back. So let's begin. Sit in any comfortable seated posture. Let's begin with a few breaths. Just tilt your palms over your knees. Big breath in and exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Two more. One last. And we'll begin with the elbow rotations. So bringing the palms over your shoulders. Bring the elbows together, forward together. As you inhale, lift them up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, bring them down. Big circles. Inhaling. Exhaling. Work with your breath. And we reverse. Same motion. Inhale, elbows up. Exhale, together and down. And release it, then to the front, then to the back. Do the tricep extensions. So hold the opposite forearms with your opposite palms, right? Opposite forearms with opposite palms. Inhaling, raise up, exhaling towards the right side. See that you're not bending your head forward, head remains straight. Hold it there, keep breathing. Keep pulling your tricep back. And release, raising the arms up, changing sides. And release. From there, moving on to side stretches. So taking the right palm on the right side, bringing the elbow down, raising the left palm over. Going towards the side, continue to breathe. And changing the direction, changing the sides. Left arm down, right arm over. And inhale. Come up this time, taking the arms behind your head. As you inhale, open the elbows out, chest up, lift your head up, look up. As you exhale, curl the spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Exhale. This time open and hold it here. And release. Moving on to the next stretches. So taking your left arm behind, stretching the left side of the neck. Inhale, center, changing sides. So right arm, stretching the right side. And releasing. Moving on to twisting. So taking the left arm on the right knee, twist and look back. Keep breathing. And releasing, extending your right arm up, bending over. So you're twisting and opening up the right side. And release, changing sides, right arm on left knee, twisting and looking back. And and extending, stretching the left side, and twisting. And releasing, moving into cat and cow, inhaling arch, exhale and curl. Threading needle, right hand underneath the left, left leg extends, releasing, left arm underneath the right, extending the right leg out. And releasing, coming out. The next one, lie down. Take the right arm towards the right side. Bring the right side of the head down, right temple down. Start rolling away and bringing the left foot on the floor behind the right leg. Use the left palm for support. Keep rolling away. Releasing, changing sides, left arm extended, right foot goes behind, use the right palm for support. and release. This completes the stretches for neck, shoulders and upper back. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you and namaste.